What is up, my internet friends and family? I'm charmx, and today I'm gonna be reacting to hilarious makeout prank, gay hotline animated by Ownage pranks. And with that being said, the original link's in the description, and let's begin.
You're matched. Say hello.
Yo, what's up, man? How you doing?
I'm good, man. How are you doing?
I'm pretty good, man. Can't complain. Straight chilling right now. What you up to?
Same thing.
Are those ice cubes?
Nice. I'm actually laying in bed right now with my boyfriend. We straight chilling. Got you on speakerphone. I hope that's okay. And we thought we'd see what we can get into tonight.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. Where's he at?
Yeah, he's with me right here. Say hi, Rakesh.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm excellent. Just sitting here right now with my boyfriending. We were fooling around a little bit. We're touching, each other, talking about gay things.
Yeah, you know. You know how we do. Tell him, Rakesh. Tell him what we just did.
I don't. You tell him. I don't want to say it.
Nah, man, you tell her.
Okay, fine. We're touching each other right now, and then I made one dinner for us, one curry masala, and I put it on his belly button and run it down his hot doggy, and then we eat it.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So who fucked who?
You see, I mean, I got my mandingo, my boy Rakesh over here. He's a little bit on the short side, right? So like, when he tries to get up in there, it don't always work too well, right, Rakesh?
Right.
So you fuck him.
I'm just fucking with you, man. To be honest, I got the small one. I'm like a black outlier, right? I got like 2.5 inches erect, but he has a pretty big mandingo himself.
Nice.
Can you believe this motherfucker has a 13-inch penis, though? That's an inch longer than one of them ruler sticks, though. Shit's obnoxious, man. He whipped that shit out. I was like, her damn. I was thinking of it like a math class, right? If we add both of our penises together, divide by 2, we got 2 above average penises.
That's crazy.
Are you into Indian guys?
I mean, I have been with one, yeah.
How was it? Was it good time?
Yeah, it was good.
Alright. Do you wanting to hear me and Tyrone right now? We will do making out. You wanting to listen to us do making out?
Sure.
Okay. Tyrone, get over here, you big black stud.
Alright, though. Alright, man. Get down with it. Get over here.
Oh, the visuals, they're freaking hilarious.
Precious.
My precious. How long does this go on for?
What you think of that, dog? We took a break.
Well, it was hot. What were you guys doing?
Yeah, we was furiously, I was giving him some tongue action. I like to do like intense tongue flicks while I got my tongue down his throat and it's down mine, and we was like going back and forth, right, Rakesh?
Right.
What the fuck?
You're matched. Say hello.
Hey, what's up?
Oh.
Hey, man, what's going on?
Pretty horny right now, stroking you.
I just pranked the fuck out of the last dude. It was so funny. You want to hear about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was talking to this creepy fuck.
That part when they were making that sounds was freaking hilarious. And the part where he's like, my precious, and puts on the ring from Lord of the Rings, that was priceless. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think of it. And if you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. But also be sure with a friend. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe and join the family today. And if you're interested in any YouTube news, make sure you check out my YouTube news channel. The link's in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Woo!